raffle that is part of the tournament. Let's see, nag-double na duke. Okay. Natahimik ka ng talon. Kaso trabahan. Tinatin makakabawi si Johnson. One hit. Kaso nauna si... Kala ko tapos na. Meron pa pala. Nabuhay pa. Tingnan natin.
Retro Mini Convention. Because old school is cool. Witness the first vintage Retro Mini Convention happening here on 4th floor,
Medyo
Cyber.
din. Nice cancel out ng aduke.
This
Uy,
event
yun na.
Dalawa. Nice goal. Uy!
Congrats, sir. 1-0.
item for adoption. More Philippines. Retro Blue Collectors Philippines.
Parang haba nun, first pass tayo. Parang haba. Ang haba ng laban.
Digital solutions. Stand up from the crowd. Enjoy retro gaming. Enjoy. Have fun.
Tingnan natin. Medyo pero medyo low sila pareho ngayon. Nagkakamali ang aduke, no? Nice hiking by Johnson. Another one. Kaso nag-close yung rayo. Maintaining distance. Nice evade. Kinasal ang aduke. Oy! Sir, nice hiking. Then takes the round. And so, habang ongoing po ang ating Street Fighter tournament, so may we inform our buyers na after purchasing po, make sure to scan the QR code para po makasali po kayo sa ating raffle to win these fabulous prizes provided by Game Selections. Uy, grabe naka-perfect si Ron. Okay, kinanati ko makabawi. So kapag magkanalo si Sir Johnson sa round na to, may isa pang round. So tingnan natin kung makabawi.
Oy! Grabe. Congrats. Congrats.